In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Zoho logo from Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Zoho Books to take the logo off your invoices, and you'll understand what that change means for your documents moving forward. First, make sure you're signed into Zoho Books with a role that has access to settings, typically an admin or anyone with branding permissions. If you manage more than one organization in Zoho Books, glance at the organization switcher near the top of the interface and confirm you're working in the correct one. That way, the change applies to the invoices you actually send. Start by clicking the settings icon, the small gear in the upper right corner of Zoho Books. This is the control center for your account and templates. Opening settings ensures you're adjusting global preferences rather than editing a single invoice, which is important because logos are managed at the branding level and affect all invoice PDFs generated under that profile. Next, select branding. Branding is where Zoho Books keeps your visual identity for documents like invoices and estimates. Here, you'll see your current branding profile, including the company logo that appears at the top of your invoices. If your account uses multiple branding profiles, for example, one per brand or business unit, make sure you're looking at the profile that your invoices use by default. Removing the logo here will remove it from the invoice templates connected to that profile. Now, click Remove Logo. You'll usually find this option right beside the existing logo preview. Zoho Books may ask you to confirm the removal. Go ahead and confirm. Once removed, your invoices will no longer display the image file at the top. Instead, they'll typically show your organization name as text in the header area. This change applies to any new previews and PDFs you generate from this point on. Previously sent PDFs don't retroactively update, so keep that in mind if you need to resend older documents. If you're not prompted to save, Zoho Books generally applies the change immediately, but it's always a good idea to wait a moment and then open an invoice preview to see the result. If you ever want to restore branding later, you can return to the same branding section and upload a new logo image. Also note that removing the logo only affects your uploaded company logo. If you're trying to remove any third-party badges or watermarks, availability can depend on your subscription plan and region, so check Zoho's plan details if needed. That's it. You've removed the logo from your invoices through branding in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your invoice design quickly and confidently.